Welcome to our channel, where we break down the most complex ideas into simple, engaging explanations. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency, a revolutionary technology that's reshaping finance, tech, and how we view money itself. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or completely new to the topic, this video will walk you through everything you need to know about how cryptocurrencies work, their underlying technology, and why they matter. So grab a seat, and let's get started. Part 1. What is cryptocurrency? First things first, what exactly is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments and central banks, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks, typically based on a technology called blockchain. Think of Bitcoin, the first and most popular cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The goal? To create a currency that is borderless, decentralized, and free from the control of financial institutions. Today, Bitcoin is just one of thousands of cryptocurrencies, each with its own features and use cases. Part 2. How does cryptocurrency work? Now that we understand what cryptocurrency is, let's explore how it works. Cryptocurrencies rely on a technology called blockchain, a distributed ledger system that records all transactions across a network of computers. Here's a simple analogy. Imagine a digital spreadsheet that everyone in the network can access, but no single person can alter without consensus. When you send cryptocurrency, say Bitcoin, to someone, your transaction gets grouped with others into a block. This block is then verified by a network of computers called nodes through a process known as mining. Once verified, the block is added to the blockchain, a chain of blocks that holds the history of all transactions. What makes this system secure is cryptography. Each transaction is encrypted and linked to the previous one, making it nearly impossible to alter past transactions without changing the entire chain. Some cryptocurrencies use alternative methods like proof of stake, POS, which is more energy efficient and doesn't rely on mining. POS selects validators based on the amount of cryptocurrency they own and stake in the network. Part 3. Key features of cryptocurrencies. Let's highlight some key features that make cryptocurrencies unique. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by any central authority, unlike traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar or euro. Instead, the network is maintained by its users. Transparency. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger, making the system transparent and reducing the risk of fraud. Anonymity and privacy. While transactions are public, the identities of users remain pseudonymous unless linked to a real-world identity. Security. Cryptocurrencies use cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and prevent counterfeiting. Global accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can send and receive cryptocurrencies, breaking down barriers to financial inclusion. Limited supply. Many cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, have a capped supply, which creates scarcity and can influence their value over time. Part 4. The technology behind cryptocurrencies. To understand how cryptocurrencies work, we need to look deeper into their technology. Blockchain. As we discussed earlier, blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies. It's a decentralized and immutable ledger that ensures trust without intermediaries. Mining and proof of work. Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies use a consensus mechanism called proof of work, POW. Miners solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and earn rewards. Proof of stake, POS. Some cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, are shifting to a more energy-efficient model called proof of stake. Instead of mining, validators are chosen based on the amount of cryptocurrency they own and are willing to stake. Smart contracts. Certain blockchains, like Ethereum, allow for programmable contracts that execute automatically when specific conditions are met. These are called smart contracts, and they've paved the way for innovations like decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Wallets. To interact with cryptocurrencies, users need wallets, digital tools that store public and private keys. These keys are essential for sending, receiving, and securing your crypto. Layer 2 solutions. To address scalability issues, Layer 2 technologies like the Lightning Network for Bitcoin and rollups for Ethereum are being implemented to process transactions faster and more cheaply. Part 5. Risks and challenges in cryptocurrency. While cryptocurrencies have many advantages, they also come with risks and challenges. Volatility. Crypto prices can fluctuate wildly within short periods, making them risky investments. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, which creates uncertainty for users and businesses. Scams and fraud. The anonymity of crypto transactions has attracted scammers. It's essential to be cautious and do thorough research. Environmental concerns. Mining for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin requires significant energy, raising concerns about its environmental impact. However, newer models like POS are addressing this issue. Complexity. For newcomers, understanding how to securely buy, store, and use cryptocurrencies can be daunting. Lack of consumer protections. Unlike traditional banking, crypto transactions are irreversible, and there's often no recourse if you make a mistake. Part 6. The future of cryptocurrencies. What does the future hold for cryptocurrencies? Here are some key trends to watch. Mainstream adoption. Major companies and financial institutions are increasingly embracing cryptocurrencies for payments and investments. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Governments are exploring their own digital currencies to compete with cryptocurrencies. Web3 and decentralized internet. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are forming the foundation of Web3, a more decentralized internet. Increased regulation. Stricter regulations could bring stability and legitimacy to the crypto market, but they may also stifle innovation. Interoperability. As more blockchains emerge, technologies that allow them to work together seamlessly will become critical. Technological advancements. From quantum computing to more efficient consensus mechanisms, the technology underpinning cryptocurrencies is evolving rapidly. Conclusion. To wrap things up, cryptocurrencies represent a fascinating intersection of technology and finance. They've already made waves across the globe, and their potential for disruption is enormous. However, like any technology, cryptocurrencies come with risks, from market volatility to regulatory uncertainty. If you're thinking about diving into the crypto world, make sure to do thorough research and start small. Whether you see them as an investment, a technological marvel, or a passing trend, one thing is certain: cryptocurrencies are here to stay and will continue shaping the future of money as we know it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about crypto. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.